Have you ever tried cooking mixed rice in a rice cooker? Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. If you're looking for a warm, easy-to-make meal that still tastes great even when the weather turns cold, then this recipe is for you. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple mixed rice dish right in a rice cooker. Everything is done in one step. Let's get started together. First, put the rice into a large bowl. Add water. And gently wash the rice until it is clean. Then pour off the cloudy water. Add clean water and soak the rice for about 30 minutes. Soaking helps the rice soften slightly, so it cooks fluffier and combines more easily with the other ingredients. While the rice is soaking, prepare the vegetables. To make this mixed rice dish, you need to prepare a few types of vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, and mushrooms. First, peel the potatoes and cut them into small square pieces, about 1 centimeter in size. Try to cut the pieces to a similar size so they cook evenly. After cutting, place the potatoes in a bowl of water. This helps prevent the potatoes from turning dark and keeps them fresh. Next, peel the carrots and cut them into small, evenly sized pieces. Then place them on a plate and set them aside. For the mushrooms, cut off the stems, then slice the mushrooms into small, evenly sized cube-like pieces and place them on a plate. After finishing the vegetable preparation, prepare the protein. Take 2 Chinese sausages and cut them into small, bite-sized pieces. Depending on your taste and preference, you can replace them with sausage or ham. Cutting all the ingredients to a similar size helps the dish cook evenly and ensures that every bite tastes good. Finally, place everything on a plate and you're done. Next, place a pan on the stove and add a small amount of cooking oil. Turn the heat to medium and let the oil warm up slowly. Then add the Chinese sausage and lightly sauté it first until it is just cooked. At this point, your kitchen will be filled with a wonderful aroma. Stir for about 2 minutes, then add the potatoes, carrots, and mushrooms. Mix everything well so the vegetables are evenly coated with the oil and the flavor of the sausage. Cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally, until the vegetables begin to soften. Now it's time to season. You can adjust the seasoning to your own taste. As for me, I like a richer flavor, so I add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to deepen the taste and give the dish an appealing color. Next, add oyster sauce to balance the flavor. Sprinkle in a little black pepper for a mild spiciness, and finally add a small amount of salt. Be careful not to add too much seasoning, because the rice will be added later. Stir all the ingredients well, so the seasonings are evenly distributed and fully absorbed. At this point, the mixture will begin to release an appealing aroma, and the flavors will start to blend together. Now, add enough water to completely cover the vegetables. Cook the mixture for about 2 more minutes until it comes to a gentle boil, then turn off the heat. There's no need to cook it all the way through. Next, carefully pour the entire mixture into the rice cooker. Add a few slices of garlic on top. The garlic will slowly release a mild, pleasant fragrance as the rice cooks, bringing a warm aroma to the dish. Now return to the rice that is soaking. Once the soaking time is complete, pour off the soaking water. Let the rice drain. Then add it to the rice cooker along with the cooking liquid from earlier. There is no need to stir the mixture. You only need to spread the surface of the rice evenly so it cooks evenly. At this point, pay close attention to the water level. The water should be just level with the surface of the rice. Adding too much water can make the rice mushy, while too little water can cause it to turn out dry. Finally, crack 4 eggs directly on top of the rice. There is no need to stir the eggs. As the rice cooks, the eggs will be gently steamed, adding richness and protein to the dish while keeping everything soft and moist. After adding all the ingredients to the rice cooker, close the lid and start the normal cooking cycle. During cooking, the rice will absorb the seasoned liquid, the vegetables will soften perfectly, and all the flavors will blend together to create a warm, satisfying mixed rice dish that is comforting and delicious. After about 10 minutes, the rice is fully cooked. Carefully open the lid and use a spoon to gently fluff and mix everything together. You can see that the rice is soft and chewy, evenly mixed with the vegetables, and looks very appealing. Next, spoon the mixed rice into a bowl. Use the back of the spoon to press it down gently so the rice holds its shape. Then, place a plate on top of the bowl and carefully turn the bowl upside down. Lift the bowl away, and you will have a neatly shaped mound of mixed rice sitting right in the center of the plate. Finally, sprinkle a small amount of black sesame seeds on top. Take a spoonful and have a taste. It's wonderful. The rice is soft, chewy, and rich with seasoning, and it pairs beautifully with the vegetables. More importantly, it is nutritious, easy to eat, and gentle on the stomach, making it very suitable for adults and especially enjoyable for children. And that brings us to the end of today's recipe. This mixed rice is warm, comforting, and full of flavor, all made easily in one rice cooker. It's a simple meal that saves time, stays delicious, and brings together rice, vegetables, and protein in a balanced way. I hope this method makes everyday cooking feel a little easier and more enjoyable for you. If you found this video helpful, please save it, leave a comment, and share it with someone who enjoys home cooking. Don't forget to follow the channel for more easy, practical kitchen ideas. Thank you for watching.